Good afternoon, everyone. Pratick Johnston here again, LasTerrenasLife.com and GoDominicanLife.com. Look, I think I want to talk to you today about construction and what is happening in this town. The challenge about construction in this town is that it's on fire. Literally like it is globally, the world is changing where they're living and changing their quality of life. And a lot of people are now working online. So we have a lot of people that are coming from the north, so USA, Canada, for example, that have now transitioned their careers online and are now coming here, selling properties at, say, 400 to a million or 2 million in the US and Canadian market, and then coming down here and buying something for 3, 4, 200,000 to 500,000 or more, but their quality is just as good, but the cost is way down. So it's put a big construction boom on the inventory here. So I'll give you an example. In 2021, there was 565 condos roughly that were condominium units that were approved and that were built in the 2021 year, which started October 2020 to the end of 2021. By the time we got to the end of April 2021, there was literally 35 condos left of the 565 in the market. Now let's fast forward to September or August of 2021 for the 2022 selling season, which we're at right now. There's close to 3,000 condos that are being built in the Samana, Las Terrenas greater area in major projects. One project alone, which is announced officially in a week's time on the 27th of January, is almost 500 units in itself. So what does that say? Does it say there's an overcapacity? Does it say there's an undersupply? Does it say that there's more buyers than there are sellers? Does that mean that you're going to miss out on something if you don't act now? Generally, all of that and above. The market is supporting the inventory. The infrastructure is keeping up, but the construction is on fire. It's no different from North America at all. There's a supply shortage and a demand that is great. So where we are right now is in the center of town, about 300 meters from the beach, directly from one of the major banks, or number one bank in the Dominican Republic, which is called Banco Popular. We are literally 50 meters from the brand new clinic hospital that'll be used for people that are coming here from away. All the restaurants up and down the street, bars, colmados. Again, everything's very convenient, but you're right in town. So this project is about 40 units, roughly. They launched it about 6 weeks ago, and there's literally a handful of units left. They started around 89,000 for a studio type of condo, and now what's left are a few condos around the 185, 195 market. And they're going quick as well, because the supply is in greater demand than what we can keep up with from the consumer point of view. So when you're considering real estate, and you're considering what is happening in the current market, you can't afford not to get in. Now, with construction in this country, how it generally works, there'll be between $2,000 and $5,000 down to secure the contract. And then there will be a series of 3 or 6 payments during the course of the construction up until the last, say, 20% will be on the delivery of the keys and the finished product. So a project like this could take about 1.5 years to build. So if you're looking to buy and be involved in this market in, let's say, late 2023 or early 2024, this is exactly what you need to do. Put some money down, go on the payment process. Everything is held in trust with the lawyers, so therefore it's going as the construction's being done, and then we move forward. So the challenge for you is make a decision. A lot of these units that are brand new are literally being purchased sight unseen off the plan. And we can do that with video like this to show you what's happening. We will do construction updates once a month on all these projects so that you can see how the momentum is building and how the projects look when they're done. So you know how to get us. We love being your realtor of choice throughout the Dominican Republic. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment about this down below, and let's get started. It's time for you to make a decision. It's time for you to invest in your future. Your future is now right here in the Dominican Republic. I'm Pratick Johnston, Go Dominican Life. LasTerrenasLife.com. Adios.